This is podcast 3, The Earth in Space, and this is entitled The Universe. When we look into the heavens at night time, we can see the stars. And in fact, very often what we are seeing are not just stars, but actually galaxies, and so other solar systems in the galaxies. They're so far away with us, away from us, they appear absolutely tiny. You can see some of them here, and that's what we're seeing in the sky. And we believe that all those galaxies are all part of a huge space called the universe. And this is where we live in, that the Earth is part of the universe. So in terms of the size and where these different things are, the Earth is a planet. The Earth does not give out its own light, so it's therefore deemed a planet. It's also a planet because it orbits a star. And the star, in that case, is our sun. So the sun is much more massive than the Earth, and stars are much more massive than other planets. The sun then, and all its planets, moons, asteroids and so on, is part of what's called a solar system. And our solar system, we know, has got the sun and 9 planets. So it's got the sun plus 9 planets. But any other solar system in the universe also has the same. It has a star, or sometimes 2 stars, and some planets orbiting it. Then our solar system, along with many, many millions of others, is part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. So our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Now, we can't take a photograph of our galaxy because we are in it, but the scientists have taken photographs of other galaxies, and one that they've taken here, and I'll just show you, I'll put this sheet on top and take it off again. Here's a galaxy here, and it's called Andromeda, and it's a distant galaxy that they have taken photographs of using telescopes, and this is what it looks like. So it is a centre, and everything around it's orbiting once again in an anti-clockwise direction. Last of all these galaxies are part of a huge space called the universe. Now there's different theories about the universe, how much space it takes up. Sometimes people talk about parallel universes. It's currently believed that the universe is expanding. Where is it expanding into? The size of it is so infinite that we couldn't even start to understand exactly what's going on. But scientists and astronomers and so on have many theories about the universe and its formation. So this is a few photographs, 3 photographs here of, I hope you can see them, of different galaxies, a star and the universe. So if you had to identify them, this one here is obviously a single body which gives out its own light, so it must be a star. This one, you know from the shape of it that it's a galaxy. And in our own galaxy, we're about 2/3 of the way out from the centre. Our solar system's found out from the centre. And then the last one is everything we see in the sky at night time, and that's the universe. Definitions then. So we'll start with the smallest one is a planet. And a planet is one of 9 in our solar system, and the Earth is one. The next one is a star. A star is a ball of gas powered by nuclear fusion, and you know that from podcast 1, and our sun is one of them. And it also obviously gives out its own light. So our star and its 9 planets is a solar system, and it's all part of a galaxy. So the sun, the planets, the moon, asteroids and comets make this up. So this is the solar system first of all, and then part of the galaxy is billions of stars. And lastly, the universe are all the galaxies and everything else. Now when we say everything else, there may be other things like black holes. Black holes are areas where there's a huge amount of gravity, but there's no light coming out of them. But it seems evident that there's a huge amount of gravity there, which is consistent with thinking that there's a mass there, but that it's so black it doesn't give out any light, and they call them black holes. Right, so just to go through those again. A planet, there are 9 of them in the solar system. The Earth is one. It does not give out its own light. A star, a ball of gas powered by nuclear fusion, where hydrogen and hydrogen join together to make helium. our sun is one of them. The solar system is the sun, the planets, the moons, asteroids and comets. Then the solar system is one of many in a galaxy. Billions of stars together, ours is called the Milky Way. And lastly, all these galaxies together and everything else, the things we can't see, are part of the universe.